Okay. Any requests from our crowd tonight? Just let us know. But for the meantime, we're just gonna go on with our lineup today. Okay, this is something from Adele this time. When we were young. Everybody loves the things you do, from the way you talk to the way you move. Everybody here is watching you. You feel like home, like a dream come true. But if by chance you're here alone, can I have the moment before I go? 'Cause I've been by myself all night long, hoping you saw what I used to know. You look like a movie, you sound like a song. My God, it reminds me of when we were young. Let me photograph you in this life, in case it is the last time that we might be exactly the life we were before we realized we were sad, getting old, and it's restless. It was just like a movie, it was just like a song. I was so scared to face my fears, 'cause nobody told me that you'd be here. And I saw you move overseas. That's why you said when you left me, still look like a movie, still sound like a song. But God, this reminds me of when we were young. Let me photograph you in this life, in case it is the last time that we might be exactly like we were before we realized we were sad, getting old, and it's restless. It was just like a movie, it was just like a song. When we were young, when we were young, when we were young, when we were young. It's hard to admit that everything just takes me back to when you were there, to when you were there. A part of me keeps holding on, just in case it hasn't gone. I guess I still care. Do you still care? It was just like a movie, it was just like a song. My God, this reminds me when we were young, when we were young, when we were young, when we were young, when we were young. Let me photograph you in this life, in case it is the last visually missing you. Something I just can't do. From where you would hold me, the sweetness you saw me. I just can't find a voice to let go of you. Ooh, can't nobody do me like you, baby. Say happiness that sees my mind and I miss your love, it's official. Ooh, you know that I'm missing you, yeah. All I hear is raindrops. Ooh, oh yeah, and I wish I miss you. Right on, right on, right on, right on, right on. I forgot who is the artist of that song, but Tamia. Okay. Now, since we haven't received any requests from our crowd yet, we're moving forward. We're nowhere on lineup. This is from the great, the legendary Cindy Lauper. You lay the saddest. Don't be discouraged or relax. It's hard to say courage in a world full of people. You can lose sight of it all. The darkness inside you can make you feel so small. Let's see our true colors shining through. Let's see our true colors. And that's why I love you. So don't be afraid to let them show. True colors, are beautiful like a rainbow. Don't be an applicant, remember that. And I saw you laughing. This world makes you crazy, and you're taking all you can. Call me up, so you know I'll be there. And I see our true colors shining through. And I see our true. This world makes you crazy, and you're taking all you can. Call me up, 'cause you know I'll be there. I see our true colors shining through. I see our true colors, and that's why I love you. So don't be afraid to let them show. listening, huh? You're not eating it. Okay. There's someone that. Someone you love, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go. I'm going under this time I feel so unsafe.
Corona siya.
It's someone nothing really got away, driving me crazy. I need somebody to hear, somebody to know, somebody to have, somebody to hold. It's easy to say, it's never the same. I guess I got a lot the way and I'm on the pain. Now it's early since to the nightfall, and you're not here to got me through it all. And let my guard down, and then you pull the rug. I was getting kinda used to be someone you love. I'm going under, and this time I feel there's no one to turn to.
Katie Bates siya.
It's someone nothing real love, I got me sleeping without you. And there's somebody to know, somebody to hear, somebody to have, just to know how it feels. It's easy to say, but it's never the same. I just like that I like the way you help me escape. Now it's early since you and I go, and you're not here to get me through it all. Let my guards out, and then you pull up. I was getting kinda used to be someone you love. And I used to close my eyes when it hurts sometimes. In your arms, I'm asleep, something right around. Now it's since you the nightfall, and you're not here to get me through it all. I let my guard down, and then you pull up. I was getting kinda used to be someone you love. Now it's early, so my guard down, and then you pull up. I was getting kinda used to be someone you love. I let my guard down, and then you pull up. I was getting kinda used to be someone you love. Right on.
Thank you so much.
Ha.
I'd like to dedicate a song to Miss Katie Bates. Thank you so much for the super chat. So as for you, Mom Katie Bates. Papa Smurf. Hey man, shut up. Here we go. Every time I think of you, I'd always catch my breath. And I'm still standing here, and you're miles away. And I'm wondering how you land. Thank you, teachers. And it's a heart that's raging to my frozen heart tonight. Let's go, Neil. And I hear your name in certain circles, and it always makes me smile. And I spend the time thinking about you, and I know it's driving me wild. And it's my heart that's breaking. Devil as long as times like tonight, I've been missing you and I'm missing you. Since you've been gone, and I'm missing you, missing you. Who's Katie Bates? No matter I become. And it looks like I'm losing this fight. And you won't, 'cause I have no meaning. Don't try hard to understand. And it's my heart that's breaking. 'Cause down is a long distance line tonight. I ain't missing you at all. Missing you, thank you. Since you've been gone, oh, I'm missing you, missing you. 'Cause no matter what my friends say, I ain't missing you. 'Cause I ain't missing you, I ain't missing you. 'Cause I ain't missing you, I ain't missing you, I ain't missing you.
So this one, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna do our last song for this set. It's only our first set actually, we still have 2 more, so hope you may stand by.
Thank you, Uncle Chuli.
This one, Anna Marie 2002, and it goes like this.
Here we go, here we go.
I will always remember the day you kissed my lips, hearts forever. And it went just like this, so it's never been better in the summer
What?
of 2002.
I love you, Mom Kitty Beat.
We were only 11, but acting like grown-ups, like we in the present. Drinking from plastic, I'm still love is forever and ever. Well, I guess so much true. There's a hood in the middle of the blues when I'm losing what we say. Sounds it all like shallow friends. And then like they say, oops, I've got running out of the scene, bye, bye, bye. But even when I go and stick around with me, better hit me, baby, one more time. I plan to show you and me on the days when we were young. Sing at that time of both our loves. Now where are the covers? Half past for what's waiting, we are more than lovers. Yeah, we are all the need when we're holding each other. I'm saying that I flew that ocean into you. There's a hood in the middle of the blues, and I'm losing when we say sounds with all our childhood friends. And I went like this, say, oops, I got and I voice it, bye, bye, bye. Oh, even when I gotta stick around with me, better hear me, baby, one more time. I plan to show you and me on the days when we were young. Sing at that top of the bottom and loves on the day we're in love. On the day we're in love. There's a hood in the middle of the blues when I'm losing what we say. Sounds with all the childhood friends. And when I say, oops, I've got and I'm promising, bye, bye, bye. Hold up, even when I go and stick around with me, better hit me, baby, one more time. I better make sure we and me and the days when we were young. Sing at that time for both our loves on the day we're in love. 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 Now, ladies and gentlemen, we got to pause for a while for our break. Of course, we have to kind of hungry. Of course, stand by for our second set, and after a few minutes again, we'll be on our third set. So see you in a minute. Thank you very much again. AOUSTrio stage.